Hello, parents! You're probably hearing a lot about coding and how important it is for your students' future. And unless you're already experienced in coding, you might be feeling a little nervous about how to support your student. And let's be honest, even if you are an experienced coder, you might not be sure how to help your child get started. Well, I'm hoping these videos can give you a starting point. My name is Brian, and I'm a physics professor at Jacksonville University. I have a PhD in computational condensed matter physics, and I teach coding as part of my college physics classes. And I can tell you that yes, coding is likely going to be important in your student's future. If you think about how much time your student saves on their homework when they use a calculator to perform basic math operations, just imagine how much time they'll save over their career by using computers to perform even more complicated calculations. The good news is that just like using a calculator, coding is very straightforward to learn, especially when your student is learning physics. In this video series, I'm going to provide your student with videos and activities that can help them learn coding in a physics context. They don't need any experience at all, and there's no complicated software for you to install. All your student needs is a computer or mobile device with an internet connection. Each of these videos is accompanied by a code available at a link in the description, along with a series of follow-up activities that I encourage your student to try out. The codes are hosted on a website called Trinket, where students can edit and run the code with no software installation required. By creating a free account on Trinket, your student can save their own version of each code and share with their teacher and their friends. Most of these videos can be watched in any order. If a video depends on a previous video, there will be a note in the video description. Your student can proceed through these videos however is best for them. With 52 videos planned in this series, they could watch one video a week and complete the entire series in a year, or watch 2 videos a week and complete the series in 1 school year. Either way, at the end of a video, I always recommend trying out the simple problems in the description, because the best way to learn coding is by doing. If you have questions or feedback, you're welcome to reach out to me via email in the comments below or on Twitter. I hope you find these videos helpful.